Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, January 31, 2022. The markets are holding up near the highs of the session on this last trading day of the month. We saw a very flat open that has moved higher pretty much from the open. Just after the open, we took off to the upside. We've kind of been grinding higher. We've got decent range. About 79 points of range there in the S&P volume, not bad. And what we're going to be looking at this afternoon is what has happened historically when you've got a green session forming on this last trading day of the month. So let me get this set up. I've got all four instruments selected. A time-based entry that will get long at 3 p.m. is the entry time here that exits at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now I'm going to add just one piece of information from what has happened between the open and the time of entry, and I'm just going to say that it is trading above the opening print at 3 o'clock. So to do that, intraday close versus intraday range, I'm going to say that the close is above the open. So I just hit equals there to add it. The next thing I want to do is put us in a similar market environment. We are below a 10 and below a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, in the calendar, the unique day, last trading day of the month. I'm going to add that. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the last trading day of the month in a bearish market environment, and you are trading above the open at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. This enters at 3, exits at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Historically, just 17 samples here in the S&P, 12 in the NASDAQ, 18 in the Dow, 13 in the Russell. Win rates on them just a little bit light, and these are on small sample sizes. So 41% for the S&P, 42% for the NASDAQ, 44% for the Dow, and 46% for the Russell. So all of them a little bit weak on the handful of samples that we have for each of those. If we look at the average moves, the average wins are larger than the average losses in the S&P, in the Dow, and in the Russell. The NASDAQ is the only one that has a larger average loss. So historically speaking, this pattern does not happen all that often. When it does, it's just been a little bit... It's closed below the 3 p.m. price a little bit more often than not, but the bigger moves have been on the upside in the majority of these instruments. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.